Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you're notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. We're on the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Now, how to use alpha male strategies is simple. It's not about using strategies. It's about living a lifestyle. Yeah? It's about living as an alpha male. Now, because here's the thing. It's like, for example, I don't know, let's just say, for example, like sports, like football, for example, right? Or some people like to call it soccer. It's like with each game or each match, the manager and the coaching staff and all that have to come up with different, even the club captain and the vice captain, in some cases, have to come up with certain, strategies to try and see how they can win that game, that next game that they're going to play. So, but one thing when it comes to actual dating and relationships, because I know that's what you're really focused on, is you can't have strategies. You just got to live your life to the way it's supposed to live. You understand? So if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Akabulan Trust, you will get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. And that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself to become a pure thoroughbred alpha male. Because when you're pure thoroughbred alpha male, you will learn, or not even learn, you will be portraying, the alpha male traits or the alpha male strategies naturally. So it won't be a strategy, it's just who you are. So if you've got any questions or any topics you'd like for us to discuss on our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.